Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered why some people achieve greatness while others struggle all their lives? The answer lies within the most powerful tool you possess, your mind. It is the key to success, happiness, and fulfillment. And yet, most people go through life without ever realizing its true potential. The great secret of success is simple: you become what you think about. Yes, your thoughts shape your reality. What you focus on consistently will manifest in your life. The human mind is like fertile soil: whatever you plant in it, whether positive or negative, will grow. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and failure, you will reap a life of struggle. But if you plant seeds of faith, confidence, and success, you will harvest a life of abundance. The problem is that most people allow their minds to be controlled by outside forces. They let circumstances, other people's opinions, and negative experiences dictate their thoughts. But the truth is, you and only you have control over what you think. Once you master your thoughts, you will master your life. Part 2: Taking control of your mind. A farmer does not plant weeds and expect a harvest of wheat. Likewise, you cannot fill your mind with negative, self-defeating thoughts and expect a life of success. You must consciously choose what you allow into your mind. Read great books, listen to inspiring messages, and surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Successful people have one thing in common: they understand the power of their minds. They know that what they believe about themselves determines what they achieve. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions create your reality. Part 3: Proactive thinking for success. Most people spend their lives reacting to the world around them instead of creating the life they truly desire. They wait for the perfect opportunity, the right circumstances, or someone else to give them permission to succeed. But success doesn't come from the outside, it comes from within. The moment you take responsibility for your thoughts, you take control of your destiny. Everything you desire is within your reach, but you must first believe it is possible. You must see yourself as successful, even before the results appear. Your mind does not distinguish between reality and imagination, it simply follows the dominant thoughts you hold. So, fill your mind with thoughts of success, and success will follow. Part 3: Proactive thinking for success. Most people spend their lives reacting to the world around them instead of creating the life they truly desire. They wait for the perfect opportunity, the right circumstances, or someone else to give them permission to succeed. But success doesn't come from the outside, it comes from within. The moment you take responsibility for your thoughts, you take control of your destiny. Everything you desire is within your reach, but you must first believe it is possible. You must see yourself as successful, even before the results appear. Your mind does not distinguish between reality and imagination, it simply follows the dominant thoughts you hold. So, fill your mind with thoughts of success, and success will follow. Part 2: The formula for success. Now that we understand the power of thought, let's talk about how to use this knowledge to achieve success in any area of life. There is a simple, proven formula that has been followed by the most successful people in history. It consists of 3 key steps. Step 1: Set a clear goal. First, you must decide exactly what you want. Most people drift through life without a definite goal. They wish for success but never take the time to define it. Without a clear destination, you will wander aimlessly. Success begins with clarity. Write down your goal in precise terms. Be specific. If you want financial freedom, write down exactly how much money you want to earn and by when. If you want better health, describe the ideal condition you wish to achieve. Step 2: Develop a positive mental attitude. Next, cultivate a positive mental attitude. Your attitude determines how you respond to challenges. Life will test you, but if you maintain faith and confidence, nothing can stop you. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, see them as stepping stones to your success. Every difficulty carries with it the seed of an equal or greater opportunity. Step 3: Take persistent action. Finally, take action: massive, consistent action. Dreams alone do not create success. You must take deliberate steps every day toward your goal. The most successful people are those who refuse to quit. They persist in the face of failure. They learn from their mistakes and keep moving forward. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. Each failure brings you closer to your goal. Habits for success. One of the most powerful habits you can develop is visualization. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions of success. See yourself achieving your goals. This practice programs your subconscious mind for success. Another important habit is gratitude. Appreciate what you have while working toward what you want. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Conclusion: the challenge. So, I leave you with this challenge: take control of your mind. Be intentional about your thoughts. Set a clear goal, maintain a positive attitude, and take relentless action. If you do this, success is inevitable. You have within you everything you need to achieve greatness. The only question is, will you use it?